We are here on this amazing day. Okay everyone, this is Cam Jones FX Daily Analysis. Disclaimer, I am not a professional. Please watch these videos at your own risk. These videos are for entertainment purposes only. Thank you. Friends and family on Discord and Telegram. Friends and families will prosper. Let's pick up for business. Alright guys, market started off back in November 1st of 2001. Market was able to break the area of resistance straight to a drop down. One press, two press, three presses to the bottom. Went to a major area of support. The market did a single bottom, pushed back up into previous areas of resistance, wasn't able to break. We have a triple top, and then the market pressed down to previous areas of lower lows. So here we go right here. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, fifth leg, sixth leg, triple top. It's the area of support. Wasn't able to break out, basically consolidated. Market pressed down to previous areas of support again. Created enough momentum, so I see a double bottom with a retest in it. So here we go, a triple bottom. Here we go, first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, double bottom. Here go to retest. Retest came all the way back down, broke the previous areas of support, created enough momentum after the retest and press up, broke the previous areas of resistance a few times. So once the market returned back to previous areas of higher highs, we got the engulfing pattern. The bears engulfed the bulls, the red engulfed the green patterns, not just one, but one candle, two candles, three candles, and maybe a fourth candle. So about four candles it engulfed, showing that the market will press down. Exactly what it did. Went to previous areas of support. And here go a pattern. Go back a little bit. So this looks like the first leg right here. So this will be the first leg. This is the second leg, third leg, fourth leg, and here comes the retest. But the retest ended up going all the way back down to previous area of support. Major pattern here, major two patterns here. So let me clear this up. One major pattern is here. I'm gonna circle it. These long wicks. So what this long wick is showing, that market pressed all the way down to here, wasn't able to close out, lost momentum, closed out in this area here, and that's what the second candle did as well. So when you see these long wicks coming down here, the market is showing that it's losing momentum, so it may be a turnaround. That's exactly how the market turned around and went up. And also in between that, we also can see that we got the engulfing pattern. The bulls engulfed the bears. That's the green candle engulfed over the red one, closed out, showing that the market can go up, and the market did go up for that press. Went back to previous areas of higher highs as a resistance, and then when it got in here, this area basically consolidated with a buy and sell back and forth. Finally got the breakout. Also looks like a pattern. Looks like a pattern here. So this area here looks like a double bottom. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. Here goes a retest, and then the market pressed up and retested again twice. And then we got to press up again to previous areas or new areas of higher highs here. And then this area right here gets very wicky. So that's again, once again, when you see these wicky areas, the market is showing it may turn around. And we also have the morning engulfing, not morning, the morning pattern, the morning star pattern, right, which is here, showing that the market is going to turn around. And also we see an engulfing pattern in there as well. And then once the market broke through the area of resistance, it came back to retest the area of resistance to go back into it, consolidated back and forth, Also see another pattern, double bottom, double top, first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, creates the double top M pattern. Here goes a retest, and after the retest, then we look for the market to go down further. Exactly what it did. First leg, press, second leg, third leg, and this market is pressing down as far as back into previous areas of support. So what the market is basically doing here in this area is just basically consolidating back and forth. So from here you would have been buying, selling back to the bottom, buying from the top, selling back to the bottom, buying to the top, and so on. And also there's patterns showing that the market is maybe trying to go up in this area here of price action. I do see a double bottom. There we go. First leg, second leg, third leg, a fourth leg. That means a retest is probably trying to happen in this time frame, in the lower time frame. So we could probably take it up to higher highs, or it may consolidate sideways, or try to come back down to return to previous areas of lower lows. So we're going to clear off our screen. We're going to head back over to price action. Let's figure out the overall trend in the market. So the overall trend of the market is an uptrend. Next, we can place our SR lines. We're going to start off looking for peaks and inverted peaks. Here's a peak right here, right near price action. Go another level up, we have another peak here. We probably can go down one. There's one in between. There's another peak here. And let's grab this inverted peak in this area here. And let's go down a little further at this peak here. Let's take a look at on the lower time frame, see how it looks. That looks fine. So we're going to head down lower time frame. We're going to create SR lines on the lower time frame. So we're going to be looking for is peaks and inverted peaks between our red lines. So we have a peak here. We have a peak here, landed perfectly near price action. We have a peak here. There's something going on here. So there's a peak here. There's a peak here. Landed perfect on the other side. So there's also a gap here, so we got to figure out what's going on in this big old gap. So let's slide down. And we probably have to grab some of these inverted peaks. We have some inverted peaks right here. And also we have a peak right here, or an inverted peak right here. Landed perfectly right here on this body of this candle. And we can probably look down the time frame, see if we see one more, two more areas. We have another spot that's right here with this inverted peak. And the other side looks clean enough. So I'm going to explain to you guys what we trade. We trade the breakout retest pattern, and what that is that the market's in an uptrend. We wait for a price to break through our SR line, to come back to return to our SR line, and then we look for entry for the next direction. which will be for that uptrend, and it will take it to the next level, which will be our TVP. Once again, if we are following price action as an uptrend, we do not take trades at the SR line. We wait for price to break the SR line, return to the SR line for the retest, and then we take it from here to the next level for the TP. So on this time frame, let's identify what's going on in the market. So what we see, we did identify earlier, we did see the double bottom. It's also two double bottoms in here. So here we go. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, and this could be the retest right here in the market trying to shoot up. There's one inside here. What I see is the first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. Here go to retest, and the market pushed up after the retest, and now the market came back down and trying to retest again here. So if we get some type of engulfing pattern or some type of pattern period, it shows that the market can go up to the next level. So the area we're going to pay attention to is here. Let's go down to time frame and see if we see anything. Okay, it looks like I see a formation of a double bottom. Here we go. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, and it looked like the market reset itself to come back down to press up again. So there's something going on in here. So with this second last candle, if this second last candle was green, that could have been the position for us to take to the new areas of higher highs. But the candle's red, and then the market basically reset it, and then now we have to see what's going on. So for right now, we're not going to do anything. We'll just wait for the market to do what it do. But the area we'll pay attention to is this area right here. It's going to identify itself. So let's go out of the time frame to see if we see anything else in the market. Still look like a double bottom forming. Let me draw it out. Looks like the first leg, we got the second leg, we got the third leg, and trying to press up for that fourth leg. So looking right here, if we start position here, if this candle closes out above this candle here, this can be entry. So you can take it to this level, and let's set our TP, our stop loss, to our SR line. So let's give it us about 30 pips, and let's stretch it out for right now, and let's head back over to our daily time frame and set it for our target. So we think that price is going to return back to new areas. So market price is going to try to return back here for about 34 pips. Once the market breaks out of here, it'll head up to the next level, which will be here. So we go back down to the 4-hour time frame. Here, once the market closes out on here, we can take that trade from this entry position to our TP and give us a total of 34 pips. And that's about a 1-to-1 ratio, 34 on the way up, 30 on the way back, which is an amazing trade, everyone. AUD, NZD, looking ready for entry on the 4-hour closeout and taking it to the next level for 34 pips. And then once we get the breakout for the next level, it'll go out further. To figure out what the pattern is and what's going on in the market, please go to Google, type in Forex Pattern Cheat Sheet. That's Forex Pattern Cheat Sheet, and identify the images of what's going on in the market. You do not have to identify the name of the pattern, just identify what you see in the market and then take it towards what you see in TradingView, and it'll make you a better trader and help you out with entry. Okay everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching and thank you for your attention.